Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering hard requirements: PAN and Aadhaar, bank details, a mobile number, and an email. Once done, decide whether you will use a point of presence, POP SB, or the eNPS online portal. Pick POP if you prefer in-person verification. Begin the process immediately by creating an application or logging into eNPS and upload KYC scans. Make sure files meet size and format rules so your submission proceeds without avoidable delays. Next, you fill the detailed application fields. Name as per documents, date of birth, PAN, and employment category. Be precise because mismatches delay Pran. Then choose Tier I or Tier Roman II accounts, set contribution frequency and POP bank, and complete the nomination section. For eNPS, authenticate with Aadhaar OTP and confirm mobile and email OTPs. For POP SB, submit originals for verification. Once you finalize and review entries, submit the form and retain the acknowledgement number for tracking. After submission, you receive an acknowledgement. Note it and expect Pran issuance typically within a couple of weeks to a month. Make sure to check the CRA portal or POP tracker. Once Pran is generated, download the Pran letter and link your bank account so deductions can start. If you don't see progress, first reconfirm KYC and PAN/Aadhaar matches, then escalate to your POP SB or CRA helpline. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched or pending KYC is the most common cause of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.